The plan was to try out the forge for the first time, but as you saw, the belt broke. It was really bad, so I'm not surprised, but it's a bit annoying. I just wanted to do some forging. So I'm gonna see if I can fix the old one. The old one is pretty worn. Sewed together with some leather straps, which added a lot of material to it. And my idea is to use this, some textile belt. It's quite old as well. Overlay it a bit. And then I'm gonna see if I can drill some holes and actually make some rivets out of nails. I found these nails with a quite large head. I think these were too long, and the other feels better. I'm not sure if they will be good though. The repair seemed to work, but we'll see how long it works. I seem to be able to actually give it a go now and light up the forge for the first time and see if I can make something, which is really exciting.